Hello class, this is my first video on the chapter perimeter and area. So let us first understand what do you mean by perimeter. So what is perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of lengths of all sides of a rectilinear figure. मतलब sum of length of all sides of a rectilinear figure. अब rectilinear figure, what do you mean by that? The term rectilinear is something related to lines. So, what is rectilinear figure? It means closed plane figure formed by line segment. Line segment का मतलब which is having a fixed measurement, and it should be a closed figure. It should be a plane figure, मतलब two dimensional होना चाहिए, and it should be made of only lines. So that is the meaning of rectilinear. So what do you mean by perimeter now? Perimeter is the sum of length of all sides of a rectilinear figure. Second thing is area. What is area? So area is the surface occupied by a closed figure. Surface occupied by a closed figure. So if you remember, in class 6th, we have already discussed about the perimeter and area of some figures. Which type of figures? First we had learnt about square. Now, what is the perimeter of a square? We know that square is a plane figure which is having all sides equal. That means it is a regular quadrilateral. Regular का मतलब क्या होता है? Regular means which is having all sides equal. And quadrilateral means which is having four sides. So now if I have to find the perimeter of a square, I'll just add all the four sides. And what is the meaning of repetitive addition? It is 4 times multiplied by the side. So perimeter of a square is 4 multiplied by side. This is the perimeter. Now if I have to find the area, what should I do? I know that square is having all the sides equal. So I want to find the area, that is space occupied, surface occupied by the closed figure, and it is side multiplied by side. Now this becomes S square. This is about the area of a square. Now if I multiply 4 multiplied by side, what will be the unit of this perimeter? So the perimeter is having the same unit, that is the unit of one side. अगर एक साइड 4 सेंटीमीटर है तो इसका पेरीमीटर क्या हो जाएगा? 4 multiplied by 4, 16 centimeter. If one side is suppose 3 centimeter, so it will be 4 multiplied by 3 centimeters, so 12 centimeter. So if I have to find the area of the square, let us take, if the side is given as 2 meter, then its perimeter will be equal to 4 multiplied by side, that is 2 meters. So perimeter is 8 meter. Whereas if I need to find the area, it will be 2 meter multiplied by 2 meter, and that becomes 2 2s are 4, and meter multiplied by meter becomes meter square. So this is the way we find the perimeter and area of the given square. Second thing, we have learned in the previous class about the rectangle. So what type of figure is called rectangle? Rectangle is also a quadrilateral four-sided figure है, where two opposite sides are greater than the other pair of opposite sides. So it is having two pairs जहाँ एक pair को हम बोलते हैं length and the other pair is called the breadth. अब किसको length बोले किसको breadth बोले? So the longer side will be always taken as length. Longer side will be taken as length and the shorter one will be breadth. Shorter को हम breadth ले लेते हैं. अब ये L है तो इसके सामने की साइड L और ये B है तो इसके सामने की साइड B. And the other thing about the rectangle is it is having all the angles as 90 degree. ठीक है, तो अगर मुझे इसका निकालना है, let us say if I have to find the perimeter of the rectangle, तो पेरीमीटर का फॉर्मूला क्या है? 2 multiplied by L plus B and unit. Whatever is the unit of the length and breadth given, that will perimeter will be having the same unit. अब ये 2 multiply L plus B कहाँ से आया? Suppose a person starts from this corner और यहाँ से उसने मेजर करना शुरू किया. So first he covers L, then he goes to B, तो हाफ पहुंचा तो उसका हो गया L plus B. And he observed that the other two sides are also just double of the measure he has taken. तो L plus B और उसी का डबल है इसीलिए 2 times L plus B. So this is the way how to find the perimeter of a rectangle. This is thus the direct formula. कैसे find out करते हैं? We just add all the sides L plus B plus L plus B. So it is 2 times L plus B. Now, if I have to find the area of the rectangle, how to find out that? So it is L multiply B and the unit will be square unit. Let us take one example. If length is given as suppose 4 meter and the breadth of a rectangle is given as 3 meter. So what will be the perimeter? So perimeter will be 2 multiply 4 meter plus 3 meter. So 2 multiply by 4 meter plus 3 meter is 7 meter and it is 14 meter. Now what is the area? Area of the rectangle will be L multiply B. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? L was 4 meter and it is multiplied to 3 meter. 3 4s are and the square unit. So this is the just the introduction. इसमें बहुत सारा तो हमने recap ही किया है what we have already studied in our previous class. In our next video, I will be going to solve the questions given in exercise